Inistate AI workflow app that turns from operations into deep insights. Your records, your AI, your analysis. Connect Inistate with your favorite AI today. This is how ACL Components handles design change requests across departments and update the approval in Inistate. Every change has to go through 4 people: admin, examiner, approver, and quality assurance before it's closed. Figuring out what's stuck and why means going through them one by one. That's where AI comes in. Inistate connects directly to the AI, so instead of checking every record manually, you just ask AI for a report. Connect to ACL Components and build a dashboard with things I can actually act on. AI reads the records at real time and generate a full dashboard. How things look, who's busy, why things get rejected, which parts are riskiest, and so on. Every part explains and tells you what to do next. That's not just a chart, that's a name, a number, and something you can fix. And AI worked it all out for you. So which stage actually holds the most work in progress? Overall, everyone's workload looks balanced. Each have over 170 change requests. But of the 15 requests stuck waiting for review right now, Tan alone is holding 6, way more than his usual share. How many times does a request actually get reviewed? 58% of the requests are done. Pending examiner is way bigger than any other step. It's not that everything's slow, it's just stuck in one spot. And once a request is rejected, is that the end of it? Every request goes through the same 4 steps. What's the one pattern worth worrying about? The answer? Tan's pending examiner stage. How do categories rank on non-completion? Electronics and sensors fail the most often, 32% of the time. But structural housing and mounting parts are actually the bigger problem. They fail less often, but there are so many more of them. You end up with more actual failures. The percentage tells you what looks risky. The total count tells you where the real damage is. Does the reason predict what happens next? Yes. Evaluation mismatch and miss to evaluate are less than half of all requests, but cause 83% of all rejections. The reason reviewer writes down isn't just a label, it's an early warning sign. So which category has the worst outcomes? Structural, housing, and mounting, the one to watch. Are we improving or slipping? Rejection and cancellation rates gives you 4 different stories. Rose's problems are mostly missing paperwork, easy to fix at the start. Tan's are real technical mistakes worth double-checking. So what's actually causing rejections? Almost half of all rejections happen at the examiner step. But here's the real pattern. Test results don't match the evaluation, shows up at both examiner and approver. What's actually overdue right now and who's holding it? Every single late request, all of them, sit with one person, Tan. It's the same fix we already talked about. Somebody just needs to actually do it. How often does a request change hands mid-review? 20 requests have been handed off to someone else. Mostly that works out fine. Vidyataran and Tan pick up more than they give away, and Lim breaks even. But Rose keeps losing out. 8 of her requests got taken away, and she only got 3 back. What's the overall pass-fail rate? The pass rate kept climbing, from 60% up to 90%, and things got faster too, from 5 days down to under 3. Then June had a bad month. Passing went down and it got slower, both at once. Speed and quality always move together here. Nobody's cutting corners to go faster. So 86.7% pass rate right now, still going up. This is why using AI here actually matters. Not just numbers, it's telling you what to do about them. I put it all together in one to-do list. First, take some work off Tan's plate and clear those 2 late items. Then fix the paperwork problem, watch the riskiest parts, and tidy up the smaller stuff. 7 clear things to do, in order, straight from the real-time data. For more details about Gene AI, contact us.